at the National Railway Museum in York. And I'm joined with Dave and Paul.
You nearly forgot that. You forgot our names.
Nearly did. It's been a long day. I've been up too long. Some people won't know, but this is where my hobby started, believe it or not, when I was a wee lad, coming down from Newcastle. Actually started in the railway room below us, I should say. It's where it stood above it.
Although to be fair, that's pretty impressive as a model railway room behind us too.
Yes, we do have all the exhibits behind it.
It's
you can see
1-to-1 scale. Way down there, there's time machine.
The 1-to-1 collection.
It's Velcro. Yeah, Velcro.
We're also joined by the Model Rail Network, who are eagerly beavering away down there, doing something.
Most of them are hiding off camera, probably. Yeah.
Sitting in the trains.
It's not like part of their probation. Really, they can't be on camera. Yeah, too much time to community in the service.
So we're going to go in. Oh, yeah. We're going to go and enjoy the exhibits and see what goes to offer.
Chimble Shanks, my railway cat. Look at the
Chimble Shanks.
I keep seeing that whilst on camera.
We're actually stood in the library. We're going to have story time with Paul. That's one of the things.
Yay! Model Rail Network story time with Paul from Trains.
So you join us now on the bullet train, and we're just on our way to Japan.
Yes, we're just going to leave very, very shortly, and we'll be having Japan.
Hopefully. What we'll do is we'll have a couple of shots in of the train running,
Indeed.
just to show you how fast it's going.
Yeah, because it's very, very fast.
Yeah. And well, once everyone's on board, we'll see you in a bit, I suppose.
Yeah, we'll see that we're going over to Japan, and then we'll be back in York in a short while.
Hopefully. See you soon. Bye. So you join me outside the museum. I've lost the group, no idea where they are. So when I find them, I'll rejoin them and let you know. Right, you joined us at the end of the day. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Obviously I've lost a few members, but I'm joined with North and Paul.
Hello.
Have you enjoyed your day?
Yes, it's been brilliant. It's been really nice to have met everybody and sort of put some faces to the names in YouTube. I know there's some pictures and stuff that we've seen, but it's really nice to just meet people and have a good old chinwag and see some really brilliant trains that are out there. Saves
There's a few trains there.
yeah, there is, and it saves trying to squint looking at the detail.
This is your first time here, isn't it?
No, it's my second.
Your second time?
Second time, yes.
That ruined my next question.
When's your second time?
Yeah. I always remember you first. Paul, have you enjoyed it?
I have, yeah. It's been a really good day, and just as North says, it's nice to meet everybody, nice to meet different people as well. The Model Rail network is obviously quite a big place, and there's a lot of members, so meeting new, fresh faces from there is always really good. So yeah, absolutely. And the museum is fantastic, isn't it? Some really nice stuff knocking around. I don't know if you can see on camera behind us. We've got Mallards, Eurostars, 31s in the background over there. I have to say, as a diesel loco, I really do like the 31s.
I've not seen them.
So yeah, I've enjoyed it so far.
Good. Right, so I'm going to sign off here. Thank you very much for watching the video as ever, and join me in the next one. See you later, guys.
Thanks, bye.
Express service to Manchester Airport, the approaching platform 5, from Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester, Victoria, Manchester, Oxford Road, Manchester.